Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: privacy glass, telematics, running board side steps, passenger illuminated visor mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, front reading lamps, engine immobilizer, daytime running lights, and auto-dimming rear-view mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.